Hi guys, we're here with Mr. and Mrs. Donald and Cynthia Kinch.
We just wanted to come out and talk to you about Gator Metal Roofing. And it was such an easy process. Everybody was so helpful. And our new roof there, we are enjoying it. We haven't seen the savings yet because it hasn't been a month yet, but we're looking forward to that.
They're wonderful. I could sit in the front room, cut my air conditioner on and cut it back off and still be cool.
That is amazing. All right. So what made you choose Gator Metal Roofing?
My wife.
Miss Cynthia, what made you choose Gator Metal Roofing?
I called up and the staff was really friendly and the salesman came out the next day and he was just phenomenal. We asked him all kinds of questions and he was really helpful. And he sold the project.
The guys come and put the roof on. Was two of them by themselves. They didn't hesitate. They got the job done.
Sounds good. So I'm so glad that you've had a great experience with Gator Metal Roofing thus far. What do you think, since you've gotten your roof, is one of the advantages of having a Gator Metal roof?
Well, like my husband said, he's noticing the house is staying much cooler and it'll be 100 years, one and done. And I was all about that. We're not gonna live 100 years, but our relatives that might take over the house, it's an investment and we can hand it down.
But I recommend other people to do it. I'll tell them to go for the metal. I'm really proud. I'm really happy. I love it.